Good boy against the doggy. Who wins the bottle? John, I hope you know you're getting videoed. John, get off! I think that's wet. If Eleanor, just say, we'll save you a tattoo of water. Am I doing this? Now we post that on people. John v Trinity. Who's the winner? Vote now. Your brother hasn't enough time. Ah, crapola, Ben. And I'm going to get it in video and I'm going to laugh my head off. Come on, mommy bullet. Hi, Ben. Hello, Ben. Let's follow along. Turn that. Turn base. One up the base. Ben. Say hello to the camera, John. Trinity, come on. Trinity, come on. I'm so showing this to everybody. John v Dog wins. What? Just a little bit nicer, don't you? Yes. Oh, it's not that much. Come on, Johnny. Come on. Come on, you. Even more. Benji. See you, mate.